Hi guys, welcome back to Brumdiecast channel, and I'm going to unboxing these two Porsche cars from Hot Wheels. The first car is 356A Outlaw. It has green color. Okay, let's open it guys. Okay, this is the first Porsche. This body car made from metal, but the bottom and the wheel of this car made from plastic. There is print number 50 on the body car. Let's open the second Porsche. It's 911 Porsche. It's white color and there is Magnus Walker signature. Magnus Walker is Porsche collector, if I'm not wrong. Let's open the case guys. Okay. Ta-da! This is the second Porsche. This white Porsche has red strip and blue strip. And also there is number 277, and there is also Magnus Walker initial. Then it's same from the previous Porsche, the body made from metal, but the bottom and the wheel made from plastic. I think Porsche car is really authentic and original. Who wants to collect all the series Porsche diecast? You can give me a comment at the bottom of this video. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Thank you.